We just have a leather belt, and we're sticking with the theme of the band, and we're making a belt for the singer that says "Keeping It Country." We're just going to position that onto the belt. Obviously, you can fold the belt on itself to find the center point as well. You'll want to try to fold it on itself like where it would be fastened, so that's the only tricky part if you want this to be perfectly centered in the back. The other option is you could tile a design completely across the belt instead of just a back-centered placement. After I have it into place, I'm going to cover it. And I'm going to heat press it for the recommended settings. Now, the product we're using on this belt is 3M Reflective, which takes about 15 seconds to apply. It'll give us, as long as the shirt's tucked in and you can see the design on the belt, when the entertainer or whoever is wearing it at night, you're going to get a nice retro reflective finish. Peel the carrier and I have a completed design. Now obviously when you're heat printing stuff, there's one thing I want to point out. I'm not completely happy with the result, although it's stuck, but I want to show you how to fix it so you know. You'll notice that there's a little bit of a mylar mark around this belt, like an indent. Something cool about the materials from CAD-CUT Direct is you can actually tack them down for just a couple seconds to get that carrier off of there. So when you're dealing with leathers or, I'm trying to think about some other examples, maybe a pad folio-like material which you can heat print as well. You want to just tack the transfer on for a couple seconds, get that mylar off, and then finish the application with a cover sheet for the full setting. Now, I've pressed it for 15 seconds, so that's probably in there to stay, unfortunately, but just if this already happened, which it did, I can try to press it out to see if I get any better results. But it's always good to see somebody else make some mistakes so you don't have to, and it's still there a little bit, but it lessened a bit. So heat printing leather and things like that is no problem. Now if it's going to be something that's going to be laundered, that's like a leather jacket, you want to make sure you have a heat transfer film that is recommended for leather and durable in the wash.